The Australian Securities Exchange ASX 200 index soared past the 9,000-point threshold, closing at a new record high, marking a significant milestone in the nation's stock market history. This broad-based rally saw the index climbing by 1.1% on Thursday, with gains across all sectors reflecting renewed investor confidence and positive momentum. As the earnings season unfolds, individual stocks like Brambles, Super Retail, and James Hardie experienced notable fluctuations, exemplifying the volatility and opportunities during this period. The day's trading was packed with activity, and our dedicated business reporters provided insights and analysis on the market's blog, capturing the twists and turns of the trading session. A quick market snapshot from our expert, Michael Janda, highlights the day's key metrics. The ASX 200 at 9,019 points, a drop in the Australian dollar to 64.23 US cents, and mixed performances from international indices such as the Nikkei 225 and the SP 500. In addition to market movements, several noteworthy news items emerged. Australia Post announced a temporary suspension of transit shipping to the United States amidst the chaos caused by upcoming U.S. tariffs and trade disruptions. This move impacts the flow of goods transported via transit, especially affecting Australian goods destined for the U.S., as new tariffs on low-value imports are about to kick in. Meanwhile, individual stocks like Brambles reached historic heights, with shares jumping over 10%, driven by a $400 US million share buyback program and a 15% increase in annual profits. Conversely, other stocks like IPH Limited and James Hardie faced heavy declines, with James Hardie falling nearly 9.4% following a prior steep slump, highlighting the uneven landscape for investors during reporting season. Market analysis indicates that, despite the index's record-breaking close, concerns loom about valuation levels. Experts warn that increasing multiples could lead to heightened sensitivity to negative shocks, especially with upcoming speeches by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell and the potential impacts on global markets. These factors have busy traders and investors contemplating whether the current euphoria is sustainable or a warning sign of a looming correction. Further economic developments included discussions on the future of Australia's budget strategies, with a focus on shifting the tax burden from wages to investments, highlighted in sessions on tax reform priorities. Additionally, debates around the transparency of insurance premiums and the recent disruptions in superannuation services like HESTA's outage are raising questions about regulatory oversight and consumer protections. Overall, this snapshot of the markets underscores the complex interplay of optimism, volatility, and risk that characterizes today's economic landscape. Do you see the current surge as a sign of genuine recovery or a bubble waiting to burst? Share your thoughts and join the conversation